now, finally. I'm gonna just do some basic stuff. Might leave this American flag on there, somebody might want that. But the RabAuto sticker, I think I'm gonna scrape that off. I love RabAuto, but it's not gonna be tuned anymore. I'm gonna peel these. Most of the plastic strips already peeled, so I'm just gonna keep going with that. And yeah, let's go. Getting junior team shirt. He's the man. He's awesome. So here's what you want to do when you peel vinyl. Take your heat gun that you bought from Harbor Freight for like $15 when they had a sale, and just heat everything up. Take your time. Try not to peel the clear coat off. Try not to like crack the lights. We're gonna do it to these lights first. Let's put some heat on the wing. Maybe it doesn't have 3MT. That was easy. Now this true fiber deck lid panel, that's probably gonna need some heat. I'm gonna take some heat to this. Maybe even a little bit of fishing line. Nice shape if anybody wants to buy it. I gotta get all this damn adhesive off. I really don't want to do the roof. I hate peeling vinyl. Hopefully it's a good quality vinyl and the adhesive peels off. And put some heat on this. So the tint on here is pretty dark. I don't think it's going to pass inspection as is, so I'm going to go ahead and peel it, which kind of sucks. It looks good on the car. Everything looked good as a blackout package. Like I said, this car is just basically for me to scavenge and then sell it. It sucks that my buddy put so much work into this. Just the way it's got to be. Got the hood off with the help of my friend Amanda. Thank you, Amanda, appreciate it. And you can see these beautiful twin turb C's now. Look at them, so cute. Boost is going to be so nice in the other car. Felt really nice in this car. Did go to Home Depot this morning. I got this scraper so I can actually get a little bit of the tint residue off. It did leave some glue and it actually separated in a couple spots. So there's still a bunch of adhesive and stuff that I need to scrape off. So if you're removing tint, I really recommend getting one of these. My secret to getting all the thin stuff off that's going to be on the edges is just take some WD-40 and just kind of let it soak on there for a while. WD-40 is not really going to hurt anything. It's not going to hurt your paint. It's not going to hurt plastics. Because if you put any kind of goo going on, it's probably going to eat your plastics and it's going to hurt the adhesive that's actually sticking your emblem on. Just kind of squirt it there, let it sit for a couple minutes, and then everything should kind of wipe off. I do it like twice. and then come back to it. Alright, it's been soaking for a couple minutes. So you can see that everything's kind of wiping off all the thin stuff. You might have to do this twice. Voila. I have this handy dandy rubber wheel made by 3M. I used it on some vinyl stripes before. Let's see how this works on this adhesive. The key to this thing is you don't want to leave it in one spot too long because it'll burn through the paint. It does get really hot, and these things are a little expensive, but it seems to work pretty good. It is a beautiful Monday. It's 23 degrees. It's cloudy and cold. I'm driving a turbo car. Might be for the last time. I swear this time. It might be the last time I'm driving this car. I was gonna sell it to Amanda, but I don't know if that's a good idea. So I'm gonna take everything off of it starting today. Gas too. This car is beautiful and fast, and I'm gonna ruin it by taking it all apart. Sorry to my buddy Chuck. Spent a lot of time and money trying to get this thing all dialed in, and I'm just gonna take it all apart. And then I'm gonna sell it as a stock car. So if you guys want a stock vehicle that might have had some miles that were boosted, let me know. I'll hook you up. Damn you turbos. Damn you. Feels so nice. All right, for real now. This is the last pull, and I'm out. I'll be back to the 11 full time for forever and ever, or until the motor blows up. First gear. All right, last second gear pull for this car with the turbos. Hand stinks. Smells like ass. Sitting in the car waiting for the heat to heat the garage, and it's taking forever. It's so cold. I hate winter. If anybody in Nevada or California needs a roommate, let me know, because I'm ready to move. Or even Florida. If anybody in Florida needs a roommate, let me know. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to leave Maryland. It's way too cold. It's unbearable. My body hurts. My face hurts when I walk outside. My dog, he got his wiener stuck to a cold metal pole the other day. It's terrible. I need to leave. It's really cold, and I should have started this last week, but I didn't, because I was going to sell the 2012 to my friend Amanda, but then I decided that it was probably better for me if I didn't, and also I didn't want her to die in the car because it seems kind of dangerous because it's so fast. If anybody's gonna die in that car, it's me. Let's get a before shot, a couple before shots. So we're gonna take all the stuff that's in there and put it in here. Simple, right? I hope so. Might be because it's a little chilly, but I'm having trouble just deciding where to even start with this thing. Just gonna have at it and start tearing it down. Gotta do one thing one more time, and hopefully it doesn't kill me of carbon monoxide poisoning. Alright, the real step one when you do stuff to a bagged Mustang is to put air everywhere. Get this thing really high up. So you can get your fender flares off a lot easier. Take these off. Can't see. How, like, am I cross-eyed or something when I don't have glasses on? I'm really worried about it. It might upset one or two people, but the shark mouth is more of a road trip thing, so I'm gonna peel that off. Let's see if we can pull vinyl off of AutoFlex. Hopefully we can. Let's find out. Just like with any vinyl removal, you want to have a heat gun. This one's from Harbor Freight. I paid like, I don't know, $10 for it. But it works. See that it did start lifting the AutoFlex in a couple spots. I don't know what really caused that. A little like heavier there, because I mean there was kind of a big tooth there. I don't know if that was like baked on a little bit more with sunlight and everything. I really don't know. But everything else seemed to come off pretty nice and clean, which is cool. I'm gonna miss that shark, but I don't know. I really like this color. I think it looks pretty clean without it, so I'm gonna rock it for a little bit, and gonna do another color at some point, probably in the summertime. Since I'm already peeling some vinyl and stuff, I figured to get rid of these stickers. I don't know why they're even still in the car, to be honest. I just never peeled them off. From Carlisle. 2016, I won a Celebrity Choice Award by somebody who I don't even know. I don't even remember the guy's name. But in all fairness, there was another guy that tried to give me a Celebrity Choice Award, who was also a celebrity apparently. So even if that guy really wasn't a celebrity, there was another celebrity. So yeah, meh. Splatter art was a big hit that year, which I'm really proud of because I thought it was just gonna be nothing but hate. I'm glad that my artistic expression was actually appreciated for once. So let's go ahead and scrape this off. So blind, I can't see anything today. I made some progress today, and now I'm going to take a break because I don't know if I'm selling the car now or not. I really don't want to sell the turbo car, but somebody gave me an offer where I'm not really gaining anything, but I'm not really losing anything either, which isn't really what I wanted, but I really want to get back to the Z. So I gave my friend an opportunity to come over and talk about the car and give me money for the car, and that didn't happen. So today we're going to start doing this. It's going to be a lot of work, but let's go.